Hello everyone! Today I will be doing a tutorial on how I make my bases for all of my cat meals in honor of 10K. Here is all of the materials that you would need: scissors, box cutter, and some cardboard. You will also need a plugged-in hot glue gun. Let's get started. So first we'll be using the scissors to chop off the ears. So here I just go in from the sides, and then on like the top, and kind of curve in to the middle to kind of get those bridges out. And then I'll repeat the same exact thing to the other ear. These two scraps you can just throw away. Now it's completely fat and we'll need something to cover it, which is why we need the cardboard. I cut little like strips from the cardboard, 2 of them. Here's what it should kind of look like. And then I just bend them onto a spot that you cut out. And then getting any pen or pencil and tracing over to get like the outline that I need. And then doing the same exact thing for the other ear, because they're usually different designs.
All done.
Then just get your scissors and chop off only a little bit outside of the outline, leaving some space. Just follow whatever I'm doing. Then repeat on the other. Here they are. This is what it should look like. So next you're gonna take your hot glue gun and glue on the outside of the outline, the space that you left. Like this. And then you're just gonna put it on to the same exact side. Make sure it's on there tightly. And you're just gonna repeat the same exact thing on the other side. Just let it dry and it should look a little bit like this. Then I just like to trace the outside with some glue, ensuring that it doesn't fall off. Again, just let it dry. Next, you can just take any fabric or even paper. I chose felt. Just gonna glue it onto the cardboard. Just put some glue, a lot of glue kind of, on the cardboard, and then just put any like fabric onto it. Make sure it's really down. Then just repeat on the other side, and then you're just gonna cut it into the shape that you put the glue on. If that doesn't make sense, just follow whatever I'm doing. So then you just repeat it on the other side and it should look a little bit like this. Next, we are going to be doing the eyes, and I use a box cutter for this, but you are able to do scissors. But it does look a bit messier with the scissors, so yep, that's why I'm using this. I decide that design that I'm choosing is like big eyes. If you want to do something else, you can just keep the same eye design that's originally there, but I usually like to go a bit bigger. Here I switched to scissors because I usually just use the box cutter for the top of the eye because it's easier. Although when you get into the corner, it is a bit harder with the nose bridge in the way. It looks a bit wonky now, but I evened it out and did the other eye as well. Now I'm just gonna be slimming the face. I like to do this a lot on all of my masks. I kind of just swoop like in from the muzzle with some scissors and then just cut outwards. If that doesn't make sense, just follow what I'm doing. Then I just repeat the same process on the other side. Alright, so I finished with the mask. I hope all of you guys understood and felt like this was really helpful. I'll be doing more tutorials on different. Thanks for watching.